Looking for the perfect companion for school days? Top 5 best school backpacks combine style, comfort, and durability, keeping all your essentials organized. From trendy designs to ergonomic support, these backpacks make every school day easier and more fun. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Volher School Backpacks. The Volher School Backpack is designed for students who want practicality, durability, and everyday comfort wrapped into one dependable bag. Its spacious interior is one of its strongest advantages, featuring a dedicated laptop compartment capable of securely holding devices up to 15.6 inches. Whether you carry a 13-inch MacBook, a tablet, or a full-size laptop, this backpack keeps everything safely in place. The main compartment is roomy enough for binders, notebooks, clothes, chargers, and other school essentials, while the side mesh pockets make it easy to store water bottles or compact umbrellas. The ergonomic design greatly enhances comfort, offering a breathable airflow back panel and soft, padded straps that reduce shoulder strain during long school days. The sturdy top handle also gives you another reliable carrying option. For travelers and commuters, the built-in luggage strap provides unmatched convenience by allowing the backpack to slide securely over suitcase handles. The hidden anti-theft pocket at the back adds another layer of protection, helping you safeguard valuables like wallets and phones. One standout feature is the built-in USB port, which pairs with an internal charging cable to let you charge your phone hands-free on the go. The exterior is crafted from durable, water-resistant polyester fabric reinforced with strong metal zippers, ensuring long-lasting use even with daily wear and tear. Whether used for school, commuting, office work, or weekend travel, the Volher backpack offers excellent value, thoughtful features, and reliable protection for your belongings. It's a great practical gift for college students or anyone needing a versatile everyday backpack. Number 2. PUMA School Backpacks. The PUMA Evercat Contender 3.0 School Backpack is an excellent blend of performance, stylish design, and functional organization, making it suitable for both students and professionals. Built with durability in mind, it handles the demands of busy, on-the-go lifestyles with ease. The thoughtful arrangement of pockets, sleeves, and internal organizers ensures that everything from books and notebooks to small tech accessories stays neatly sorted and accessible. Its versatile, minimalistic design transitions seamlessly between the classroom, the office, and travel situations. Many users will appreciate its ergonomic shape, which sits naturally on the back to reduce discomfort during long days. The padded, comfortable straps allow for easy carrying, whether you sling it on one shoulder or wear it fully supported across both. Breathing room, shape, and structure are all calibrated to ensure balanced weight distribution for maximum comfort throughout the day. Another advantage is how easy it is to maintain the backpack. Simply spot clean dirt or spills, and the bag looks ready for use again. Its smooth, durable material holds up well against daily challenges, preserving its fresh appearance for months or even years. Designed with smart functionality, reliable construction, and stylish appeal, the PUMA Evercat Contender 3.0 backpack proves to be a solid all-rounder for students, commuters, gym users, and travelers alike. It's the perfect companion for those who need a hassle-free backpack that keeps up with a packed schedule while offering comfort and reliability. Whether used for school, sports, work, or travel, the PUMA Evercat delivers consistent performance and convenience. Number 3. Abshoo School Backpacks. The abshoo School Backpack provides a lightweight yet durable solution for students who want a simple but well-organized bag for school, college, and everyday use. Constructed from high-quality, water-resistant polyester, it offers reliable protection for books, electronics, and essentials even during unexpected weather. The overall dimensions, 12.2 inches by 5.3 inches by 16.5 inches, make it a great size for students who carry moderate supplies without wanting a bulky or heavy bag. The multiple pockets are a key advantage of this backpack, giving you plenty of space to store tablets, small laptops, notebooks, snacks, and personal items, while keeping everything well organized. The design is youthful and fashionable, making it appealing to both teenagers and young adults who want a stylish backpack that fits their daily routines. The lightweight build makes it specially suitable for long school days, since it doesn't add unnecessary weight while still maintaining good durability. It is ideal for casual use as well, perfect for outings, short trips, or college life. One standout feature is the brand's 12-month warranty, which provides peace of mind and shows confidence in the product's quality. In case of any issues, abshoo promises satisfactory solutions, strengthening the backpack's value further. The bag is recommended for children above 3 years old, making it versatile enough for a wide age range. Whether you're buying it for yourself, a friend, or a student in your family, this backpack offers an excellent balance of affordability, practicality, and modern style. It's a dependable choice for daily school use and casual activities, delivering comfort, organization, and reliability. Number 4. Under Armour School Backpacks. The Under Armour School Backpack stands out for its high durability, weather resistance, and excellent storage design, making it a premium choice for students, athletes, and travelers. Its UA Storm technology is a major highlight, delivering impressive water resistance that keeps your belongings protected during rain or unexpected spills. This makes it especially useful for students who carry electronics or important documents. The soft-touch top coat adds an extra layer of protection while giving the backpack a sleek, premium feel. Organization is thoughtfully handled with a secure zippered front pocket, a side water bottle pocket large enough for 32-ounce bottles, and a well-structured interior designed to hold daily school supplies. One of the most impressive features is the soft-lined laptop sleeve, capable of fitting laptops up to 16 inches, including the MacBook Pro, ensuring your device stays cushioned and protected throughout the day. A secondary compartment adds versatility and can even function as a shoe or laundry pocket, ideal for gym days, sports practice, or weekend trips. The inclusion of mall webbing opens up additional attachment options for accessories or gear, making the backpack highly customizable based on your needs. This blend of durability, capacity, and smart design positions the Under Armour School Backpack as a reliable all-purpose solution for students who need more than just basic storage. Whether navigating busy school days, outdoor activities, or travel schedules, this backpack excels in performance, functionality, and long-lasting build quality. Number 5. Adidas School Backpacks. The Adidas School Backpack is a versatile and dependable option designed for students who appreciate strong organization, durability, and long-term reliability. With multiple zippered pockets, it becomes easy to categorize and store everything from textbooks and notebooks to chargers, writing tools, and small gadgets. This backpack also works exceptionally well as a laptop or everyday backpack, thanks to its thoughtful layout. The interior features a secure sleeve that can comfortably store laptops up to 16 inches, making it a practical choice for both high school and college students who need to carry devices daily. The wipeable exterior material is another major advantage. Simply clean it with soap and water to keep the backpack looking new. This makes it ideal for students who encounter busy schedules, outdoor activities, or frequent commutes. Durability is one of Adidas' strongest strengths, and this model includes a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term value and confidence in its construction. 2 mesh side pockets provide space for large water bottles, including 32-ounce models, helping students stay hydrated throughout long school days. The simple yet stylish Adidas design appeals to a wide range of age groups, making it suitable for teenagers, college students, and even adults. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.